Okay, meron tayong magandang balita dun sa mga tripulante dun sa MV Tutor. Kung matatandaan natin, inatake ito nung June 12 ng mga aerial and waterborne drones and missiles, no? Ng Houthi rebels off the coast of Yemen, southern Red Sea. The ship was an all-Filipino crew and 22 ang Filipino seafarers. And as of around 10:30 to 11 p.m. last night, nagkaroon ng rescue, no? Ang combined international forces doon, and na-extract from the ship. Kasi yung ship was adrift in the southern Red Sea. Immobilized siya, but stable. Okay? Hindi siya lumubog. So, in-extract yung 21 Filipino seafarers, and they were boarded onto a security forces ship and taken to safer port. Sensya na, hindi ko ma-disclose in full detail. At a later time, at an appropriate time, we can disclose yung details nung ship at saka yung patutunguhan. But rest assured, the 21 Filipino seafarers are safe. Merong isang natitira. Siya ay nandoon sa engine room nung panahon na nag-attack yung drones at yung missiles at na baha, no? The ship took in water doon mismo sa engine room where he was located. So we are still searching for him. Late yesterday afternoon, I accompanied the family of the missing seafarer to the office of the Manning Agency, and I met the ship owner's agent there. And we were assured that we will not cease in terms of locating our missing seafarer who is just within the ship. And the President has clearly directed us to monitor this situation as well as the continuing well-being of the 21 seafarers who are now headed for safer port. So it really just boils down to locating our seafarer who is still on board the MV Tutor.